Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making slime. Okay, let's get started. First ingredient you're gonna need is glue. Okay? So now moving on. Okay. Okay, we're gonna need glue. You're gonna need glue. If you're gonna make actual slime and not edible. Okay, I got a plate. Okay, I'm making a little slime because I don't want to make a big one. Okay, shake it up. Okay, I'm just put a little. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, I'm mixing it up. It's gonna look like marshmallows. Mixing it up. My mom asked me why I have to sing in every video I do. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks like some yummy marshmallows. Okay, now since I already put that in, I'm going to put in activator. Okay. Just a little stir. You guys stir. It's coming together. I think it's like forming. Okay. I think I should go in. Yeah, I think, yeah. I don't think I should have done that. Can you close your eyes? Because I can. Oh, I just saw myself doing that. Because I worked in it while I was doing it. That was cool. That's cool. Okay. I'm going to stop doing that. This is a fun video. Look at that. Do that too. I'm one of those people who can. Yeah, this guy in my class, he did that, and I thought something was in his mouth. So I'm like, teacher, there's something in his mouth he's chewing on. And she's like, what is it? And he's like, no, I'm just going like this. I'm like, I think you should have told me that before I told on you. But it was distracting anyway, so I'm like, he has something in his mouth because I didn't want him to get hurt. So, yeah. Here's the slime. Finishing slime. Okay, now I'm going to add blue dye to it. I'm only doing little slimes because, like I said, I don't waste or anything. It's just that I don't like doing blue slime. I like doing blue slimes. But like in videos, I don't like doing big slimes. I don't know why, but maybe like next day I might do it. I don't know when I'm gonna make a big slime. This is turning out so good. This is a good slime too. I'm so proud of you. Okay. Look how good it turned out. Whoa. Yeah. We can do. Oh yeah. Make sure you subscribe to Rebecca Zamolo. She's like really, she's really pretty. Make sure in the comments say that. Make sure, I want her to see this video because she's like really pretty too. So she's smart, intelligent, but still, like, yeah, you should subscribe to her. Rebecca Zamolo. Look at this. It's so cool. It's so cool. Okay. Okay. Yeah, make sure you wash your hands, because, like, yeah. I bruised my knee. Help. No! My knees are warm, that's why. Because I was just under the covers watching Rebecca Zamolo. Yeah, I watch her a lot. So, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. I love this slime. It's so cute. It's like a blue sea. Ooh. Ready? When you go a little too far. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.